top story here on Super 6. The lamp lighting ceremony, Kartikeya Deepam celebrations in Tamil Nadu, has spiraled into one of the most heated controversies in the state, and with just months to go for the election. Now, the showdown over the Thiruparangundram lighting of the Deepam has drawn sharp political, judicial and ideological reactions from Parliament to now the RSS headquarters. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has also stepped in, having in fact an opinion on this. He has said that the Hindus of the state will decide on this issue, will decide which way this goes.
A lamp lit at a temple adjoining a dargah in Tamil Nadu after massive showdown, and the judge who allowed the lighting of Deepam under political fire. Amid political slugfest over Kartikeya Deepam on the stone pillar at Thiruparangundram temple, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has waded into the controversy. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has asserted that Thiruparangundram issue in Tamil Nadu can be resolved in the state itself on the basis of the Hindus' strength. He also said that Hindus in Tamil Nadu are awakening.
I think the issue can be resolved here only on basis of the Hindus' strength in Tamil Nadu only. We will not need to escalate it. But one thing is pakka, that issue will be favorably for Hindus. That is definite. Whatever it takes for that, we will do.
I rise to condemn the unconstitutional.
BJP MP Tejasvi Surya has also raised the Tamil Nadu Deepam Rao in Parliament today.
This is an attack against the judiciary of the country. It is an attack on the impartiality of the judges. The DMK government, supported by the India Alliance and the Congress, is trying to weaponize impeachment as a method to silence the judiciary. This not only shows their anti-Hindu sentiments, but it also displays their contempt for the independence of the judiciary.
Earlier, Home Minister Shah came down heavily on DMK over the impeachment motion against Justice G.R. Swaminathan, asking if targeting the judge is okay after losing a case.
आजादी के इतने साल में नहीं हुआ है मान्यवर कि कोई जज एक जजमेंट दे तो जज के खिलाफ इंपीचमेंट लेकर आते हैं अपनी वोट बैंक को एड्रेस करने के लिए इंपीचमेंट लेकर आते हैं मान्यवर.
The opposition has upped the ante against BJP over the issue.
See, we have given impeachment notice based on 13 charges against Justice G.R. Swaminathan, signed by 107 MPs of Lok Sabha. And these 13 charges against him are not new. It is not related to anything of the recent happening like Thiruparangundram or any other temple or any other issue.
क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी और आरएसएस फैसला करेगी कौन हिंदू है? हिंदू जो है आरएसएस अगर चाहती है कि तमिलनाडु में ऐसा हिंदुत्व जगाए तो तमिलनाडु की जनता इनको पहचानती है, इनको नकारेगी आज तक, इसीलिए इनके पैर वहां नहीं जम पाए.
DMK has been pushing for impeachment of the Deepam case judge, saying his verdict was biased. With assembly polls due next year, it looks like the temple versus Dargah war will continue to escalate. With Pramod Madhav, Bureau Report, India Today.